Let me take you into a small but familiar moment. It is evening, your child walks through the door with a tired shoulder, eyes that looks older than they should, and a heart carrying things you can't quite see. Their backpacks is heavy, but their mind is heavier. They are growing fast, faster than even they understand. One moment they are confident and bright. The next they are tangled in emotions they don't know how to express. Their body are stressed, their personality shifts, their health rising and falling without warning. As parents, we feel their confusion, their overwhelm, and their exhaustions, even when they don't say a word. And somewhere inside, we ask ourselves quietly, how do I support them? What can I give them truly that helps today and every day after? Hello, beautiful parents. Welcome to EduPlus Talks. I am Priyanka, and today we are exploring something deeply powerful, something that has shaped thousands of young lives around the world and can shape your child's too. We are talking about yoga, not as a class, not as a hobby, but as a lifelong foundation of strength, calm, and emotional balance. If you are raising a twin who is growing, changing, and sometimes falling sick on and off, I want you to know this. Adding yoga into your child's life is one of the most irreplaceable gifts you can ever give them. Children between 9 and 13 goes through enormous internal shifts. Their emotions moves like waves, sometimes soft and gentle, sometimes forceful and unpredictable. Their bodies grows faster than their coordination can adjust, leaving them clumsy or tired. Their immunity deeps as their system adjusts to new environment and responsibilities. Their minds race with school stress, friendship, expectation, and pressure to be enough. The stage is full of beauty, but it is also full of challenges. And most children don't have the tool to manage it. That is where yoga steps in with its quite incredible magic. Yoga gives children something they desperately need but rarely receive: a moment to breathe, a moment to understand their own body, a moment to feel safe in their emotions, a moment to slow down a world that is often too fast for their tender minds. When your child practices yoga, they learn how their breath becomes their anchor, how movement becomes healing, and how stillness becomes clarity. Yoga strengthens their muscles, improves postures, enhances balances, and supports flexibility at a time when their growth can cause stiffness and discomfort. It nurtures their emotional healing by calming the nervous system, reduces anxiety, and teaching them how to respond rather than react. And for children who fall sick frequently, yoga gently boosts their immunity by improving circulations, supporting digestions, enhancing sleep quality, and reducing stress related inflammations. At EduPlus, we created our kids yoga program precisely for this age group because they need a different kind of support: soft, kind, fun, engaging, and developmentally appropriate. Our sessions help children understand their growing bodies, trust themselves, focus better, sleep deeper, and become more emotionally aware. Parents often tell us, my child is calmer, stronger, happier, more confident. And that is the true power of yoga. It does not just build flexibility, it builds character. Now let's talk about what kind of practice your child would enjoy. Imagine your child beginning with slow breathing, one hand on their belly as they feel each inhale and exhale. This gentle breath teaches them to regulate their emotions, settle their thoughts, and find calm even on their most chaotic days. As they ease into warm up movements, soft shoulder circles, gentle neck rolls, slow stretches along the spine. They are unwinding the tension they didn't even know they are carried. These movements support growing bones, long days of sitting, and stiffness that comes with rapid development. As they move into a deeper poses like butterfly, forward folds, and happy baby, their body releases tightness around the hip, back, and hamstrings, areas that often aches during their growth. They feel tighter, more comfortable, more aligned with themselves. And when they step into grounding poses like mountain, warrior, goddess, and tree, something shifts inside them. They begin sensing their own strength. They feel rooted, balanced, steady. Yoga teaches them something school never can: how to be present, how to be resilient, how to be kind to themselves. Towards the end of the practice, imagine your child lying down, eyes closed, sinking into relaxation. Their mind softens, their breath slows, and their nervous system resets. Meditations becomes a moment where they reconnect with who they are becoming. They imagine a warm light surrounding their growing body. They repeat silently, I am strong, I am safe, I trust myself. These affirmations become seeds planted inside them, seeds of confidence, self-love, and inner strength. Now, as we close today's episode, I want to tell you something from the deepest part of my heart. Yoga is not just another activity on your child's schedule. It is not something they will do for a few months and forget. When you add yoga to your child's life, you are adding something irreplaceable. You are giving them the tools to manage their emotions, the strength to support their growth, the immunity to stay healthier, and the confidence to face the world with clarity and courage. At EduPlats, we are honored to walk beside you and your child on this journey. Our classes are gentle, nurturing, playful, and deeply supportive, designed to help your child thrive, not just physically but mentally and emotionally. Your child deserves a space to reset, to breathe, to grow, and to understand themselves. And yoga gives them exactly same. Thank you for spending this time with me. I am Priyanka and this is EduPlats Talks, where we believe every child deserves to grow with strength, peace, and confidence. Until next time, keep nurturing your child's inner world. And remember, when you choose yoga for your child, you are choosing a lifetime of balance, resilience, and well-being. Thank you so much.